A pleasant day to you all. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix MySQL service detected with wrong path error. The first thing that we are going to do is to copy this line. Then click the Windows logo. Type regedit. Then open the registry editor. Then go to hotkey local machine. Then go to system, go to current control set, then go to services, then find MySQL. Right click on the image path, then click modify. Replace this path with the path that you copied in the error message. And click OK. Then restart your computer. After restarting your computer, open your WAMP or SAMP to check if the error is still existing. As you can see, there are no more errors and our SAMP is now fully functional.